BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Earlier this year in the dev channel build 25227, as I did post on, and I think that rolled out in October, Microsoft was trying out different positions for the header on the widgets board in Windows 11 in that then latest dev channel build 25227, where they were trying to optimize if they should use a horizontal layout, as we can see on the left, or a vertical layout as displayed on the right. Now, according to recent reports, Microsoft has started rolling out certain aspects of the new layout to the stable version of Windows 11. That's Windows 11 22H2 and also 21H2. And that's for all Windows 11 users. Now, currently some of these changes are on a controlled rollout, and not all the different features that were mentioned in the dev channel build 25227 earlier this year are part of the change. But just a quick video in case you hadn't noticed that the widgets board now, Microsoft seems to have adopted the horizontal layout at the top of the widgets board in the stable versions of Windows 11 22H2. And I don't know if you had noticed, but previously, up until recently, there used to be the time in the middle here, a clock in the middle, and then we had a search bar underneath that. Now that's been changed to the horizontal layout, where we get the home button, our video, which takes us over to Microsoft Edge, where you can view videos for your news and interests. The add widgets has been around for quite some time, where you can add your different widgets, your refresh, and then obviously your profile that's been there since the widgets board did roll out. So the time has been removed, the search has been removed, and it seems that Microsoft is adopting that horizontal layout, which has started to roll out now to the stable version. And as mentioned, not all the features that were made available in the dev channel have rolled out, but who knows, in the future Microsoft may push out some more of those features to the horizontal layout. And we are expecting the new little expand button, that's the two little arrows, which I have posted on previously in the dev channel in some previous videos, where we are expecting to get the full screen widgets, which, unlike it is currently in the stable version where we get one widgets board layout, we get two widget board layouts, which will basically become a full screen widgets board. And that is expected to possibly roll out with the Moment 2 update early next year. And you can obviously expand and minimize that using those little arrows, which will appear in the top right of the desktop when you have the full screen mode activated. But just wanted to bring your attention to the fact that Microsoft has started to make some of these changes available now in the stable version of Windows 11, that's 21H2 and also 22H2. And obviously, if anything does change and they do roll out more features to the widgets board and the widget board in Windows 11, I will post and let you know accordingly. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.